Nail Soup Media. We specialize in websites, web communities, and internet products.
Hey, dude. Okay, so sorry you couldn't make the call. Sorry that you had something going on. But here's the scoop. So, going over all the areas, we're looking pretty good. Get on all the things that all the areas that you wanted to rank for. So let's go through the numbers. Marco Island. I didn't check these to see what they were. Don't click on them if they're not yours. But basically you're showing up, here. You're pretty much, pushing people off the front page. Fort Myers, of course, you got it down with the Google My Business. We're going to try and get you up to 30, at least 30 by the end of the month. But you're doing well. I'm pushing the others down, trying to get this up higher. You've got some new competitors, but I've got some stuff we're going to do to push them off the front page. And then Cape Coral, you're here as well with the Google My Business, and pretty much, I'm going to get a couple things up here. There's some new stuff that we found out that we can do. So because you're on the higher marketing package, we're gonna pop that in for you. And then Cape Coral, Bonita Springs, 1, 2, 3, Bonita Springs. Here you are, top part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Punta Gorda, same thing. I'm not going to go back. I'm just going to go, here. Yeah, let's just do that. So Sanibel. Sanibel. Same thing. And you're showing here under the We Get Around. And we SEO the We Get Around profiles. So that way you're showing, it's like a third-party referrer. That's why we think it's a good thing to have. And then Naples, we're lagging a little bit, but we've been able to knock this off, so it's not showing up as much. It still shows up, but we're going to get it to where you show up there, sure, slowly but surely. But you got out of the front page here, you've got 2 top spots. Then Matterport Marathon, right here. You're showing 1, 2. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta get the videos popping up more. And then Estero. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got something coming that you're going to be showing up on another type of website that's going to knock some people down. So we're doing good there. The only thing that I'm seeing here is I'm not seeing a lot of activity on this stuff. So I have some new marketing that we're gonna put here. So you're the one that's usually been doing some of this, all the posting, and I'm not seeing it. So what I'm gonna do is start, like the videos we do here, I'm gonna start doing more videos like that, and then in between the reviews that pop, because we do these, got these working. The reviews automatically posting, but in between these, like this is the 6th, and that's the 7th. So on the 6th, I'm going to put in like a marketing piece, like a teaser, Matterport teaser. The other thing I need you to do is I need you to start doing the panos. Get really good panos, because then we can start putting them in here. I've got some new marketing techniques for this to make it really pop. So I'd like you to do that, and then we're going to go in each month. We're going to do a little bit of work, but we're going to go through the past. Like, look at this. This is not, like, no posts from you guys. Nothing. This, yes, and I mean that's nice, but you're not selling your product. You're not to your people. You're not reminding them why they should be using your services. So we got to get that back. And so we're going to go through the past, probably the past yeah, so probably maybe the past 8 or 9 months, we're going to go through and we're going to, each month we're going to pop in a few of the stuff that you've done, during that time frame, and get it to where when people come here, they're not just seeing this, they're actually seeing stuff. Because the header's nice. This is nice, but we got to get the other stuff in there. And then I've got that other thing I've been working on, the agent pages that you can give to the agents to have on their site. Really close, so I'm hoping by the end of this month, end of March, I'll have it for you, and then you can give it to all your agents. Okay, so that's it for now. In case we don't get to talk, but we're killing it. We're bringing. You pretty much own your market in a very competitive market, so you should be happy. All right, bud. See ya.